Okay, now that you've got us back out into the wild... Wait a minute. Who's that? I don't really know, but he looks like a pretty good stallion, but I'm gonna guard you. Alright. Because you're carrying a foal. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you or the foal. I'm gonna go over here. No, not over there. Hey, right here works. Come over here and fight me if you want my mare. Oh, you stubborn little stallion. You think you could beat me? Not a chance, boy. Have you heard of this? Heard of what? Think I'm gonna give up that easy? You're mine now, girl. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I really am. It's okay. Because you're safer with me than him. Alright, well, safest place for you right now is to follow me. Come on. They were walking that close together, and it was like she was betraying Cash. Oh wait, she was. Come on, we're on the same place. Alright. Alright, come on down. It's safe. She leaned up against him like nothing else. Cash is coming back. Crap, he's there. Shadow! What do you want? Come to take you back. Haven't you heard? I'm not really pregnant. What? You're not seriously pregnant? No, I'm not. I would never, ever let you breed with me. Just be aware. I'm getting out of here. Casper, help! Casper! What's going on here? I would like to know. She was trying to take me away. I thought she was pregnant. She wouldn't let you, breed with her if it was her life. Now, you can join our herd, or die. I'll join your herd, sir. So Deer walk next to her. We should go this way. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on, guys. Go. They were a kind of big herd, I guess. I mean, we're getting there. I'm fine, guys. I really am. I'm good. Yeah, but where are we gonna go, Casper? I'm not that sure. Let's see. Whatever this way should work. Cash, come on, let's go. We don't have all day. Look out for more episodes.